To create a pivot table from another sheet, this is exactly what you need to do. So I'm over here in this sheet, and as you can see, I don't have any data here, but I want to create a pivot table here with data from another sheet. So here's how to do it. Simply click anywhere in the sheet where you want to create a pivot table, go to insert and simply select pivot table from over here. And this is going to open this menu, and in this menu, the only thing that we have to change is to click on this button to select the range from which we want to create our pivot table. Now I want to create it from this tickets sheet from over here with the data that I have in this cell. So I'm just selecting all the data, hitting enter and hitting OK. And as you can see, this has created an empty pivot table over here to which I can drag my data and start to analyze the data and start to create the views that I need. So this is how to do it. This is how to create a pivot table from another sheet. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.